Approximate the area between G, which is this curve right here, between G and the x-axis. Well, you know the x-axis right here. From 2 to 6. Now, just because we're learning and stuff, remember, this is your A, this is your B. This is the beginning of your boundary. That's your lower bound. And then 6 is your upper bound. And they already shaded it in for you. Oh, how kind of them. All right, now we're doing trapezoidal sums. And so that means we have to find the trapezoids. Not rectangles, trapezoids. And there's 4 equal subdivisions. So kind of them. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. They already divided up nice and pretty for you guys. Okay, so let's do the first one. We'll do it in green. For the trapezoids, you can do the left side and the right side, and then you connect all the dots, okay? So we have 2 to 3, and then we go all the way up, and we connect the dots, and we boom. That's a trapezoid. Now, the trapezoid is kind of weird because it's on its side. We call these the bases of the trapezoid because those are parallel to each other. The trapezoid formula to find the area is 1/2 times the base plus the base 2, base 1, base 2. Then you have to multiply that by the height. Your B1 is one of these, and the B2 is the other one of the parallel lines. And then your H is the delta X, okay? So I guess what I can do is I can say 1/2 times the first height, we'll say the first X, and then we have to then add the second X. If we plug in x sub 1, that'll give us the height right here. If we plug in x sub, well, I didn't put a sub 2 on that, so x sub 2, that'll give us the other length right there. So that's your B1, B2. And then H, do you guys remember what H would be? H would be delta X, which is? 1. Yeah, you guys went straight to the 1. Okay, so let me write this out. We have 1/2, and that would be a 3 plus, 3. And what's this one up here? 7. That's the length. And then you guys said the H already, the delta X, that is 1. Okay, then we have plus. Let's do our next one. Our next trapezoid is going to go right here and right here. Oh, what are you killing? Stop it. Okay, we have 1/2 and then 7 plus. What's the next height? We have 7 and then 6. So we have the 6. And then we have our base, our delta X is negative or positive 1 again. All right, now we're going to do another one. You guys see a pattern here? How we kind of like repeat one of the values? No? Okay, so we have 6, 1/2, 6 plus, what's the other one? That's a 4. And then we have to multiply this by 1. Just trying to be consistent here. And then the last one, we have 1/2. Oh, the last one's weird because the two lengths are the same, huh? It's actually a rectangle. All right, and you could do a rectangular formula. I'm just being annoying by using the trapezoid formula. And we solve it out. All right, so we have 3 and 7, which is 10. We half that sucker, we get 5. 6 and 7 is 13. We half that, we get 13 over 2. Plus, that's going to be a 10. We half that. That's 5 again. And then for our last one, we have 4 and 4, which is 8 times 1/2, which is 4. I'm going to make that improper fraction into a mixed number, so it's 6 and 1/2. And then I add up all these dudes together. We get 10 plus 6, which is 16, plus 4, which is 20. So it's 20 and a half is our answer.